is where time moves at a different pace. But let's not drag our heels, and let me show you this beautiful family home located in Vale Formoso, only 5 minutes from Almondseel and 10 from the resorts of Quinta, Lago and Vale Lobo. Set on an elevated plot with sea views, this home blends timeless design with modern comfort. The entrance hall is light and welcoming, with a beautiful wooden staircase taking center stage. The open plan layout is perfect for family living. A sleek, fully equipped kitchen, dining area, and lounge all connecting out to the garden and pool. Outside, the south-facing pool, beautifully landscaped gardens, and the covered terrace were thoughtfully designed for relaxing or entertaining, including a full outdoor barbecue kitchen for easy al fresco meals. There's also a lovely guest suite on the ground floor with direct garden access and a generous garage with mezzanine storage and internal access to the home. And upstairs, you'll find 3 more bedroom suites, including the primary with a walk-in dressing area. Comfort, connection, and serenity. This is a modern family home in the heart of the Central Algarve. For more information, check our website reference 2970 or contact Mapro Night Frank to arrange a visit. Thank you for watching.